All right, folks, there it is. But it's a really nice addition to the house. We have a couple four-legged feline friends that we love very much, and we're more than willing to donate a little wall space so they can get the exercise they need. So anyway, very durable pine construction, has some nice sisal rope features for the drawbridges or the hanging bridges, suspension bridges, and a little on a scratching post in the middle there you can see. It's very nice, appealing on the wall, looks nice, durable pine construction. Really satisfied how it turned out. If you're willing to donate a couple hours and some wall space for your four-legged feline friends, they'll love it, and we like the way it looks on the wall as well. Found it on Amazon, and I would highly recommend this. Let's see if they like it. What do you think? I think it's cat approved.